Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi. And as you can tell, I am not doing nails today because I still do not have any of my stuff. Just sitting here in the corner of my new room that has got almost nothing in it. And missing you guys, missing doing nails. Okay, look at these. Look at how I've had these on so long. These are coming off. I'm already missing two. These will be coming off and very, very soon, and I'll be putting on a fresh set, which I will be sharing with you as soon as that happens. Oh, I can't wait. So look forward to that, but that won't be until sometime next week. It looks like possibly this weekend I will be going to get my stuff. And so I'll need a few days to get that back and get everything put where I want it and situated, and then it's nail time. Okay, but in the meantime, I thought I would come and have a chat because as you can see, I'm wearing a little makeup today. Let's get up here close so you can see the colors. What I'm wearing is the NYX Ultimate Edit Brights mini palette. And this is a different kind of video for this channel, but I don't have any other content for you guys. And seriously, I miss you so much. So I just thought I would come and talk about it a little. Now, I also, I've tried it with a couple of different primers. And the primer, I have this white primer that's actually from NYX as well. It's just like a cream in a pot, and you put it on your eyes. I don't like it. It does not stay. But when I used it with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, Painterly is the color. There's different colors, but the Painterly one really just gives me a completely bare canvas to work on. It cancels out, like I've got some little veins in here and stuff. It cancels all that out. When I try to use a white primer, it sort of pops those blue veins, so I try not to use a white one. Little trial and error went with that, but once I used the Painterly Paint Pot, this stuff it's pretty intense. You can put it on very lightly to get just a sheer, almost pastel color. It's bright, so I don't want to say pastel, almost just like sort of a muted bright. Or you can just keep tapping it on. Like I went sort of medium with it, and the colors I'm wearing today on my lid are this melon color. Here, let me open this up for you guys. Is this melon color, and then in the corner I used the blue, and then I deepened it with some black that I have. And I think it's really fun to work with. It's not patchy. It builds up. It's not the most amazing formula I've ever used, of course. It was like $6, but for $6, this tiny little palette, really, it's got a lot of product in it. And I would have to say it gets a thumbs up from me. I would totally recommend you trying it. And like I said, it was like, let me look here. $7, Target $6.99, Macy's $7. I got it at Walmart. I want to say it was maybe $6 at Walmart, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% positive. Oh, Walgreens $4.99. So maybe order one or something. Now they do have, and I almost got this one, but I thought I'd get the littler one first to try it. They have two bigger sets, so I might try those. They're not that expensive, like $15, $16. So if you're looking for some new eyeshadow palette and you don't want to spend a bunch of money or support companies you don't like, which I don't know if there's anything to dislike about NYX or not. It's possible. All companies are problematic, right? Because they want money. And even as I say that, I want money so I can buy their products. Oh, it's a vicious circle. Okay, but I would definitely go ahead and say, if you like bright shadows, give this one a try. They do have one that's more neutral shades, but I already had a bunch of neutral shades, and what I really wanted was something bright. And let me just show you one more time. This is how it looks actually on the lid. I hope that's reading. And I used different colors under, but I don't think that's really reading on the video. But it's super fun to play with. I've done a blue-green look. I've layered the colors where I took the green and laid it all the way across my lid, and then I used the blue and the yellow to turn them into different colors. And so there was this really cool sort of teal, yellow-green ombre effect on my lid, and I really love that. I did the blue and deepened it with some black to give me sort of a blue, a deep smoky blue eye color. The pink and the purple together are freaking fantastic. As you can see, I have definitely used the palette a bunch, you can tell, but let me just give it a little swatcheroony. Right, and that is a swatch. It's going to come on different with a brush than with your finger, but you know, using your finger is totally a doable way to add some color to your lid. So there we go. I mean, you can definitely, there's some pigment there. Is it the most pigmented palette? Maybe not, but for $7, I really don't think you can beat it. So there we go. That's my mini review of the Mini Bright NYX Ultimate Edit Palette. And you know what? They don't know me. This isn't sponsored, and I didn't get this product for free. I paid for it myself. So even if they had sent it to me, you guys, you know I wouldn't lie to you. If I don't like a product, I say so straight up. And look, even without primer, it sort of stays on your skin. So there you go. That's kind of nice. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Please look forward to next week when I hope there's going to be some nail content. I'm sorry things have been so quiet the last couple weeks. There's just literally nothing I can do about it right now, and it's driving me crazy. I can't even look at my Instagram because all the nails are making me feel so sad and jealous. And oh, I watched a video with Kirsty Meakin the other day, and I was just like, oh bitch, I want to do those nails. Oh, sorry for the cursing. Okay, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video sometime next week. Know that I miss you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And I hope that this video wasn't too awful. And actually, I do have some cool new lotions that I bought about a month ago. So maybe in a couple days I come back and we chat about those too. Okay, we'll see you then, guys. Bye.